Hi, this is Bethany. I'm a stone carver, and this is an introduction to a very basic set of stone carving tools. We have first the point, which is used... Oh, back up. We have first your safety goggles. So don't forget to wear safety goggles. Second, you have the point, which is shaped like this, and which you strike in order to remove chunks of stone. And I'll give a little demonstration that will set you up to use the tooth chisel. So I'm using the point and I'm making two parallel lines. And then I'm going to take the tooth chisel, shaped, oops, wrong one, which is shaped like this. And I'm going to knock off the bump between those two lines. And then got a little dirty. I'm going to take my last tool, which is called the flat, there we go, flat chisel. And this is used to get to your final surface. So I'm removing the marks that were made by the tooth chisel and giving myself a flat surface. And those three steps, the removing of large chunks, so we can do them on the corner too, with your point, the removing of the marks made by the tooth chisel, the removing of the marks made by the point with the tooth chisel, and then the removal of the marks made by the tooth chisel with the flat chisel are the basic steps to making any three-dimensional form in stone. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Bethany Lee, and I'm a stone carver, and all of my information is listed in the information on this YouTube channel.